Halo sobat channel Andegan Salangi atau channel ARG. Jumpa lagi dengan video terbaru saya. Saya akan menampilkan suasana di Pelabuhan Kawaluso, Kecamatan Kendal. Dan selamat menyaksikan. Jangan lupa like, komen, share ke media sosial sobat semua. Dan terpenting adalah subscribe channel saya ya. Terima kasih.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. Heart is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite.